This young parrot laid 4 eggs, but the girl boiled the eggs and feed them back. Actually, the parrot wasn't fully grown and had no mate, so the eggs could never hatch. But after that, the parrot became aggressive and refused to eat. Then the girl realized that the bird was deep in her breeding season, so she decided to find her a companion. She first introduced a vibrant yellow male parrot. He immediately tried to impress her, but she ignored him completely. Next, she brought in a gray male, which completely backfired. The female turned aggressive, chasing him around the cage and plucking his feathers. Eventually, the owner reintroduced the yellow parrot, and this time, the magic happened. The two grew deeply attached, exchanging preened feathers as romantic gifts before laying a fresh batch of eggs together. When the owner gently checked the new nest to see if the eggs were fertilized, the proud yellow male stepped right up, glaring at her with fierce protection, as if he still remembered everything that had happened before.